darling, let you and I do this right together, okay? Oh, jeez, Luke. We're going to use a little panko today.
What, Ms. Dishman?
We're going to use panko
In lieu of?
in lieu of breadcrumbs.
This is a sausage ball with an egg in it. Everybody needs one. It's good and healthy.
Now we're rolling. Julia Childs is rolling the sausage and the egg and then the panko. Yeah, come right on in here, boys. We'll have a lesson. Mr. Fletcher, I want you to be sure to get the lesson. So you can have us up for tea.
You reckon he knows how to boil an egg?
No. Yeah, he knows how to boil eggs. But that's not adhering too well.
You better dip it again, I would. You do what you want, but
You just wash. Julia Childs usually slings a lot of stuff out on the table, but I will try to avoid that.
you know any of them eggs over here?
This is Dean and Poppy's project, but Julia has to get in on the assembly line. And here is the first assembled Scotch egg. It now is being placed on the cookie sheet.
Boy, that's a dirty looking cookie sheet.
That is a seasoned cookie sheet.
It's about 20 years old. It ought to be seasoned. There's another one. Let me get it patted out.
Right here. Right there. All right, now, Mr. Fletcher, we're doing the egg wash again. And we're going to dip it in, back into the panko. We want to get it coated really well so that it will keep the sausage in.
Well, I love this sausage.
And we have a hillbilly that has flown in here to France today, and I don't know what kind of English he speaks, or if it's French or what it is. He talks like a redneck from Virginia. Now we're doing another dipping and another covering up with breadcrumbs. Here's your egg, Foch.
Thank you.
There goes the second Scotch in. Must be going to have company. My nose is itching. Now, little Foch, you don't have a...
I'm about to get the right portion on this sausage, I think.
Yeah, you sort of overdone it on that second one. Oh, jeez.
Who's this guy taking the pictures over here is what I want to know.